Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a fake boyfriend in a video using CapCut AI Lab. So if you ever wish you could have a perfect video partner without anyone actually there, here in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a fake boyfriend in your video using CapCut AI Lab, all done automatically with AI video generation tools. So in here, you can just launch CapCut on your phone and then just head to the AI Lab at the bottom. Scroll down and there will be AI video templates in here, and you'll see under the viral AI videos category there is this fake boyfriend video. You can just click on it and this is how it will look like. Okay, you can just provide a photo of you, a selfie or a full portrait. Click on create with AI and here is the prompt. This is default from the CapCut. A person appears hugging, and these people may appear to be of a different nationality, skin color, with warm smile and matching outfits. So to delete the photo or change the object with you, you can just click on this button and tap on the plus icon to upload your photo or your selfie. For example, in here I'm going to use this photos right here. Click on add and now you can just tap on generate and let CapCut AI Lab do its magic. So this is a pro feature, so if you want to use this feature you need to join or subscribe to the CapCut Pro first. But this is basically how it will look like. Actually, I've already generated it before, so let's see the preview. Okay, so here is the result with the photo that I added to CapCut, the fake boyfriend video. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye!